Bonjour from Abroise.
What if your only free hour was never really free? And this is how I create in the crack between life, work, and the next thing on my list. And in the end, I'll share the one mindset shift that helped me to stop waiting for the perfect time and finally start hitting go. It was Sophie's first day at French school.
We need to go to school!
It's a line. And my first day trying to balance remote work, motherhood, and creativity, all while abroad. This isn't just about the parenting, it's about what happens when you're trying to build something and the life keeps moving. After drop-off, I try to dive into work, and some days I'm lesser focused. Just a few days ago, I had a trouble with my computer, so I didn't have a computer to edit. And then I went for a walk. Started like any travel day. I got coffee, camera, castle view, but something shifted, and then that view made me think, what if I come back and actually try that one thing I've been putting off? So inspiration doesn't come scheduled. You have to catch it when it shows up, and even if you are not ready. So I decided to live video from the castle, which I never done before. I'd never done a YouTube live, never in public, never without a plan, and definitely not from a historic landmark. But that was the whole point. And it was very interesting. I have to give you some tips through the filming. I have to give you some ideas, maybe historical moments. And I did it. Imperfect, unpolished, unscripted, but it's done. And actually you can check in my description below if you want to check it out how it looked like. You let me know, do you like it? Or would you like me to do more of those kind of lives video? That moment deserves celebration, and for me that means local food. I always try what's new even if I don't know what is it yet. If you love food, I have a series where I teach simple snacks, recipes you can make everywhere, even on the go. You can check in the link and let me know, do you like it?
Pour la chèvre, s'il vous plaît. Verre de vin pour la région.
Vin rouge, vin blanc.
One blanc.
Vin blanc.
Dry.
Yes.
Next, I'll just keep this for the language.
Sure.
I need to learn language.
I don't understand you.
Work, parenting, learning, all on the move. But I believe we don't travel to escape life, we travel to stretch it. And if you want to grow, don't wait for a pause. Grow through the motion and try that idea and start that project that you had in your head. Let's travel push you, inspire you, and motivate you. So whatever is on your list, the first live, the big leap, the personal goal, just do the first step, even if it's messy, especially if it's scary. Subscribe if you are creating on the move or building a life you love. And if you want to see 100+ years old hidden gem and you want to travel through the time, you can watch the video next Wednesday.